Bonjour. First of all, I would like to express my sincere appreciation for all of you, especially for the organizer, and to invite us to attend the conference. And also, it's my big pleasure to can sit down with new friends and many old friends to discuss about how to improve the public transportation system, and how to assist the Egyptian government to make the policies on this issue, and how to promote our product, and how to make good money. Okay, and first of all, I would like to introduce who we are. And our company is the Shanghai Wangxhiang Automobile, and the mother company is the CCI Holdings Group. This is our mother company. We call it CCI Holdings Group, also CCI China. Our holding group founded in 2001 and specialized in the diversified business, especially on the investment. And now it's grown up and to be the kind of the leading the private company in China. And we focus on the three main sectors in business. First is the industry operation, which include the military equipment, the automobile, the manufacture, and the high-end the vehicle retail, the shipbuilding industry, the gold jewelry, the health care, and oversees the security business, the cybersecurity, and the military, the security equipment. And also we do the global real estate and the equity investment and so on. And so far, we have the 4 listed companies in Hong Kong and China. And we have the more than 60 subsidiaries all over the world and 5,000 employees. And here is the main project of our group. The first picture is ours, now is under the construction, is our Ritz-Carlton project. We have the highest Ritz-Carlton mansion in China. Actually, it's the highest of the world. It's about 481 meters. And the Marriott Hotel and the Olympic Games studio in China. And the number 4 picture is about the most luxury golf course in Asia. And of course, the backbone subsidiaries of CCI is the Shanghai Wangxhiang Automobile. And we also represent the high-end vehicle brands such as the Land Rover, Jaguar, the Infiniti in China. And this is about the military equipment already equipped for the Chinese military, and the security equipment, and the cybersecurity and the security equipment, and also the gold and the jewelry business and shipping. And here we are is the highlight today. I would like to introduce the Shanghai Wangxiang Automobile. We founded in the 1985 before we belonged to the Shanghai government. And our CCI group merged 100% shares of this company. And now it's grown up to the integrated bus company, including the research and design, manufacture, after-sales service. And until last year, our company already sold over 50,000 units of the all type of buses, and also provide over 24,000 diesel buses, hybrid buses, and electronics buses, mainly focused on Shanghai. Because you guys know, so now China is the biggest electric bus market and also the most advanced electric market of the world. And in China now, we already have the 39,000 unit electric bus in the main city, and 99 is made in China. And the Shanghai is the most demanding and the most picky market of the world. So far, our company already occupied over 60% share market in Shanghai. And as one of the top electric manufacturer, we Shanghai Wangxhiang products have become the daily travel tour for the Shanghai citizens. Serve for the more than 5 million Shanghai residents for daily work and life. And at the same time, in the past 10 years, we already export our bus and vehicle to the Saudi, to the UAE, Kuwait, Sudan, the West Asia, and North Africa, and Latin American, and to provide all kinds of the vehicle, nearly the 14,000 the unit. And the Shanghai Wangxhiang automobile has 6 main products, especially in the electric vehicle. That is the electric bus and the coach, electric sanitation truck and bus, and for the special purpose, and also the electric logistic vehicle, and also the electric the shuttle bus and the commuter, and all the buses in diesel and the CNG. And we also do the military refunded vehicle. Here is the main product catalog related to the electric city bus. The first one is our most popular the city bus in China. As I told you guys, the Shanghai is the most demanding market in China, and for this type of the city bus, we already sell to Shanghai government over 1,600 units in the past 3 years. And the second one is our newest model, and especially designed for the Australia and UK. And this to another the length, the different lengths and the specification. You can see the left one, the right one is about 10 meters, and the right one is 8 meters. And this is also our electric city bus with a different design and the specification. And this is for the coach. And the right one, the white smaller one, is the electric logistic vehicle. We just exported to the South Korea for 1,000 units. And for this school bus, before 10 years ago, we exported this type of the diesel bus, school bus, to the Saudi Arabia and Kuwait for 2,000 units. And after we promote our technology for change to the electric bus, we export to the South Korea 200 units. Here is the main technology advantages. It's a VCU and good quality and customer tailored service. And we provide all the customers in China and overseas for the package solution, which include the charging station, the EV supply, the ITS. ITS means Intelligence Transportation System. And we take care of the maintenance and the operation, and we cover all the training and after-sales services. You know that the electric bus is totally different from the diesel one, so the cost of the maintenance and the training, especially the after-sales service, is quite expensive. But we promise all the customers we can cover all the warranty and teach them hand by hand. And that is why our company is entitled by many clients, we can provide the babysitter after-sales service. Here is some of the main feature of our technical advantages, just go through it quickly. And the first is the feature about the single charging and the long driving system. Actually, it has the four systems: the electric drive system, the energy storage system, control system, and the electronic, the accessory system. All of us are developed by ourselves. And the second is about our technology of the digital vector controlling, energy saving, and safety and stability the technology. And the third is the high energy density power battery. For the battery, we cooperated with the CATL. As you know, the CATL now is the most advanced battery manufacturer in the world. They also provide to the Mercedes-Benz and BMW. And we depends on the client requirement. Usually, we provide them the ZF, the integrated electric drive axle, which is the best of the world now. And we have our own, the electronic, the control system. And in China, we cooperated with the CRRC. CRRC, they are famous about the control system, especially used to the high-speed train control system. It's more reliable and safe. And it's a full loading body design. And we also designed for the customer about the anti-collision capability. We put the anti-collision equipment and the system on the both sides of the vehicle to ensure the safe. And it's our intelligent remote control system. We also call it ITS. Actually, we are not only provide this kind of the platform in our manufacturer to remote control the operation of the bus, but also we also provide the application on the mobile. We call it a smart Wangxhiang cloud, like just like the iCloud of the iPhone, and you can check the running operations, the situation of the bus, and give you the warning and something. And this is something about the high voltage and the power of system control and anti-interference ability of electronic control system. And what we do in Egypt. We come here not only sell our bus, because we are quite different from the traditional, the normal, the bus manufacturer. They just sell bus and no maintenance, no the after-sale service, especially on the electric bus, because the cost is quite high and it will take the long term to get the money back. But we come here with our many years experience and utmost respect to help the Egypt to build up the friendly environment. And also we provide the e-bus, the electric bus, and the ITS system, and the charging station, and our babysitter after-sale service, and the training. And in the future, we will realize the localization here. And here I would like to share something with you guys to help you better to know what is the electric bus and what's the challenge we are facing. The first case study is about one of our projects years ago is the charging plant construction in 2015. At that time, the China government enforced all the manufacturer to change the diesel bus to the electric one. And the Shanghai Pudong Jingao bus operator have such a project, and they came to us to cooperate together. For this the project, we launched the 150 unit electric buses and all the charging feasibility, and also we help them to upgrade the parking lot to reach up a capability about 250. Buses, and also help them to build operation support the center. Here is the background. And there is a basic overview of this project. You can see it's a site in the Pudong district. I guess most of them already visit China. The Pudong is the most developed the district in Shanghai. And at that time, the area of the site is about 20,000 square meters. And they request the substation about 648 square meters, and the total charging capability is about 10 to 9,000 kilowatt. And the charging pile, we also call it the charging station, is about 125 sites, and the cable trench is about 6. And the parking capability is up to 250 electric the buses. And also we help them to build the monitoring rooms. So that in total, the investment value is about US dollar 10.2 million. So you can see the comparison before construction and after. And for our bus manufacturer, at that time, we supplied 150 units. The bus length is about 10 meters and up to the 7 to passengers. And the full charge time is only the 3 to 4 hours. And the driving range is about 250 kilometers per day. In China, we usually run 250 kilometers every day. It's a standard range. And in total, we the energy consumption only costs we have the 37% to 40% lower than the diesel bus. So you know, as I said to you, the project is started 4 years ago, and so far we still cover the maintenance and after-sales service. So at that time, the bus operators, they didn't understand what is about the electric bus, and we teach them hand by hand, still so far, yes. So there is a challenge of that project. It's a kind of the technical, the challenging about the battery life and the safety, and also how to improve the charging facility of the electric bus. Okay, here is the case study too, and also the most important part of my presentation, because I used to communicate different authorities in Egypt regarding the electric bus, and they didn't have the clear or the mature idea about the policy. So I think this is our obligation and responsibility to help the local government to build up the related policy. So that is why I bring the China policy and also the Shanghai policy for the electric bus. And you guys can see all the subsidy, the standards for the electric bus, and you can calculate how much about the government financial support to the electric bus. Because in China, when the government launched the policy about all the manufacturer of the bus and all the bus operator, they have to change the diesel bus to the electric bus. You have to do that, but the government will promise all of you will not lose money. So that is why they launched the series of the subsidies, the policies. As the lowland, you can see there is an example. Just the most popular, the city bus is a 12 meter. And in total, the one bus, 12 meter electric bus, the government will give the 28,000 US dollar for the support. And this is for the bus operator, and also you can calculate how much for the purchase cost for one bus. So here we made a comparison about the operation costs, and you can see if you change it to the electric bus, and you will save. The US dollar is about 24,000 for the maintenance fee, and in total, in the every 8 years, you will save the US dollar over 200,000 in the every 8 years.